Hello, this is Divine on the mic. I'm actually here to advertise an internet cryptocurrency earning platform. It's a very simple one. You can earn money just by doing very simple tasks. I can really assure you that this is really legit, like legit. There are many other sites that may be scam, but I've done the research. You can also look it up. It's very legit. So I'm just going to show you some quick ways of earning money. One of the best ways just to follow the tax, just to do tax. And the best way to do tax, number one, you can watch videos. Watching videos just give you free grams as you may, like this one now. You can see it. Yes, 0.1, 0.1. So the more you watch the videos, the more you get more grams. Another way of doing this, which is like the most popular, is through this smart contract. But I believe that as you do it, you get to understand it. You can also watch other of my video for me to elaborate on it. And when you're through with doing that, you can withdraw. Yes, this is a very good thing. You can withdraw into maybe another currency or in dollar in cash and this thing. So it actually has limits. You can't just withdraw immediately you earn the money. So before you withdraw, you have to earn at least above 500 grams. But at the next video, I'm going to explain more. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and earn good money. Thank you.